and welcome to the video. In this video we'll be looking at a new type of refractometer that has been made and optimized for homebrewers use rather than being a generic tool. Many of the refractometers available on the market will often be inaccurate for homebrewing due to the fact that they've been optimized for different uses like within the chemical, marine or food industry rather than just for homebrewing. Within this short video I'll be giving you everything you need to know in a timely manner without any waffle or fillers to not waste anyone's time. So let's just get to it. To make life easy, everything you need is included with the refractometer as one standard package. This is the refractometer itself, a protective case, a dropper and also a USB charging cable. I will add that the cable supplied here is not your usual bundled USB cable but something of quality, as you can see. More on this later. Let's have a quick walk around. It has to be said that the general feel here is one of quality. Underneath there is an adjustment area for calibration which doubles up as a stand, stopping it from rolling around when you place it down, which is certainly very welcome. Moving back to the top now, we have a button which turns on the backlight, meaning that you do not need to hold these refractometers up to a light to see your reading, which is also very welcome for sure. This blue area is where you drop your samples and there is a plastic gate to secure them for readings. Here is a look at the triple scale viewed from within this refractometer. There are two scales for SG, one for sugar on the left and one for wort on the right, and we have a bricks percentage in the middle. The SG sugar scale is optimized for washes for distilling, whereas the SG wort is optimized for beer wort. These are certainly very handy for homebrewers, and I believe this is the primary feature of this product. Within this refractometer is a rechargeable battery which provides power to the backlight. You will not need to charge this up very often, but when you do, the braided USB cable provided will attach quickly due to the port's magnetism. You can see that the cable also features a charging light which goes out when the unit is fully charged. All in all, I find this to be a well-priced upgrade to those generic refractometers in those blue cases that are too commonly sold to homebrewers these days. Not only do you have a higher accuracy, but some really nice quality of life improvements too. Do let myself and the brewing community know what you think within the comments section of this video. I do hope that you found this video useful, informative and interesting. If so, why not consider liking and subscribing? For further support you can join the channel's Facebook group, and if you would like to support the channel then check out the channel's merchandise store, as all profits go back into the channel. Until next time, happy brewing!